What is a latte? A latte is a type of coffee drink that originated in Italy. It is made with espresso and steamed milk, and it is typically served with foam on top. The word latte comes from the Italian word for milk, and it is one of the most popular coffee drinks in the world. Lattes can be made with different types of milk, including whole milk, skim milk, almond milk, and soy milk. They can also be flavored with syrups or spices. Vanilla, chocolate, and hazelnut are common flavorings for lattes. When made correctly, a latte should be creamy and smooth with a rich espresso flavor. Lattes can be enjoyed hot or iced, and they can be made at home or ordered from a coffee shop. How is cafe latte made? As the name suggests, the latte is essentially created by mixing coffee with milk. The milk creamer is traditionally a combination of steamed milk and a layer of foam. In many ways, a latte is very similar to a cappuccino, but has more steamed milk and only a little milk foam instead. A latte starts with an espresso shot, 1 for standard sizes and 2 for larger. The latte cup is then topped with the steamed milk, 6 to 8 oz, or more for a large, and the milk foam. Baristas in coffee houses may pour the milk foam so that a pretty pattern is created. Who is a latte for? When it comes to coffee, there are all sorts of different drinks to choose from. For those who want a rich and bold cup of coffee, there's espresso. For those who want a lighter drink, there's Americano. And for those who want something sweet and creamy, there's latte. But who is a latte for? A latte is traditionally made with espresso and steamed milk, with a layer of foam on top. However, there are all sorts of different variations of this drink, from iced lattes to pumpkin spice lattes. Latte is a popular choice for coffee drinkers who want a balance of coffee and milk, without the bitterness of espresso or the wateriness of Americano. It's also a good choice for those who want to add a little bit of sweetness to their coffee. So if you're looking for a delicious and creamy cup of coffee, then a latte is definitely for you. Where are lattes most popular? There's no denying that lattes are one of the most popular coffee drinks around. But where in the world are they most popular? According to a recent study, the answer may surprise you. It turns out that lattes are most popular in Scandinavian countries like Sweden and Norway. In fact, nearly 60% of all coffee drinkers in these countries prefer lattes to other coffee drinks. This is likely due to the strong coffee culture in Scandinavia. In addition, the cool climate in these countries makes a warm cup of latte even more desirable. So if you're looking for the best place to enjoy a delicious latte, Scandinavian countries are definitely worth considering. Just be sure to pack your sweaters. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel and share this video to a coffee lover friend.